In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly hide product tags in WooCommerce so your product pages look cleaner and more focused. This is one of the easiest ways to streamline your store's layout, so let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Appearance and then select Customize. This will open the WordPress customizer where you can edit your site's design and preview changes in real time. Once you're inside, look for the additional CSS option. This is where you can add small bits of code to adjust how different parts of your site appear. Now, simply paste the following CSS into the box. Product tags display none. The moment you paste it, you should see product tags instantly disappear from your product pages in the preview. This code tells WooCommerce not to show the tag section at all, giving your page a much cleaner look. Once everything looks good, click Publish to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden product tags on your WooCommerce store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.